Shut the other one. Get out of the way.
Move, Chelsea. Move, Chelsea. Come here.
Come here. Quick.
It's gonna happen.
Quick.
Look at Macy running back. Shut the other one. Shut the other door, Chelsea.
Macy's waiting so patiently. Chelsea, shut the door. Shut the door. Hold on, Macy.
Hang on, Macy.
Hold on. Go back. Go back. Backwards.
I can just see Macy's silhouette.
She's walking backwards, Michael.
Come here, Chelsea. Come here. Come on.
Come on, Macy.
Watch it.
She goes running back. Mike, as she runs back to the bath mat and waits.
I know, she's sitting there by the time. Where's Stella at?
Get out of the way, Chelsea. Come here. Come here.
Come here, Chelsea. Scoot back.
Alright, now watch.
What? Macy!
She looked around at everybody.
And then laughed.
Yeah.
It's so funny. Back to that tub. Let me get our camera. Apparently she's going to do this over.
Shut the door, Chelsea. Get out the way. Where is she? She's coming.
Where's Macy?
I did. I'm waiting on them to switch places.
Just email it to me.
Is your purse on your car or something?
I think so.
You wearing your belt?
No. I think he's about to fall out.
Don't just be nice at the door.
She's trying. All right, Chelsea, get out of the way quick.
Move.
Hurry, come on, Macy, come on. I can see her through the crash.
You can hear her breathing as she comes.
I love how Chelsea laughs before she...
Oh, they're switching places.
Macy.
Macy, come shut the door.
Macy, come here. Chelsea, stay.
Chelsea's pants are 4 sizes too big. You wearing Macy's pants?
All right, get out of the way, Chelsea.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, my goodness. This is so funny. They're so busy.
Bye, Chelsea. She shut the door and they're both picking up. Oh, Macy tackled her.
Macy just pushed Chelsea over.
Come on, Chelsea.
Yeah. Come here, Macy. Shut the door for Chelsea. Come here.
Macy.
Come here.
Macy, come here.
Shut the door.
Shut the door.
Hey,
Shut the door.
shut the door.
Shut the door.
Oh, look at
Chelsea, you came in that door. You little trickster.
You go get your milk.
I need a break.
Yeah. You worked up pretty